Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, first of all, tell me, what is your destination country? Comment. Comment the name of the country and the flag of the country. Come on. Pause the video and comment your destination country. All capital letters. All capital letters means Canada, Australia, UK, Sweden, Norway, right? Just like this, exactly, because I want you to be there. I am prayerful for you. I wish you your destination country in this year, within the few months to come, right? Happy? Exactly. Listen now, all of us, we set goals, we have wishes, right? We have desires. But some of us, not some of us, very few of us, they chalk out a plan to make their dreams come true, to make their wishes come true. And many of us, we just have this wishful thinking. One day I'll go to Australia. One day I'll go to America. One day I'll go to Europe. And then they start imagining, and they don't do anything practical. Let me tell you, you all have dreams, right? Going to a foreign country is a wonderful dream of yours. It depends on you whether you're going to fulfill this dream into a reality or this dream is going to be a dream. I mean, I don't want you at all that after 5 years from now, you say, once upon a time, I wanted to go to Australia. 5 years from now, I want you to say, I am in Australia now. I'm in UK. I'm in America. I'm in Canada. I'm in Sweden, Germany. Okay, I want you to say that. So let me tell you, the first thing is, the dream that you have, it should be more like a reality. You should be able to see your dream. You should be able to feel about it. The second thing is, you should know how to reach there. You know, Google Maps, wherever you want to go, you search your destination. After that, you click start, and then the lady says, head southwest, go straight, turn left, turn right. At the second exit, turn right, this and that, and you follow it, right? So once you know destination is Australia, right? And you know this is the route to Australia. On the way, I'll have to do IELTS, then I have to apply for admission, then I'll have to pay the fee, finally I'll get the visa, fly to my destination country. So you need to actually break your dream into small achievable parts. I'm not a motivational speaker, but I think you need this video. This video is for you who is smiling now at me and who is nodding head and thinking, yes, sir, you are right, this video is for me. So if you think this video is for you, comment, yes, sir, this video is for me, right? So you need to start, and the journey begins with IELTS and it ends with IELTS as well, right? Exactly. I don't want your journey to be ended in the beginning. Some people's journey finishes in the beginning. They never embark on their journey, but I want you to embark on your journey very, very successfully. So IELTS is the thing. Now, what is behind IELTS? Behind IELTS is your English. So brush up your English. You are watching this video in English and you are understanding my English. It means you know English. There is one thing in common between you and I. I speak English, you understand my English. It means the English I know, you know that English. This is same thing. But one thing is uncommon between you and I, and that is, I know English, I use my English. You know English, you don't use your English, and what you do not use, you actually lose. So I don't want you to lose your English. I mean, the next 2 months, the next 3 months, this is the lifetime of IELTS in your life. IELTS is not a lifelong journey. IELTS is just like a temporary station that is going to come in your life and go. 60 days from now, and there will not be any IELTS in your life. 30 days from now, and there will not be any IELTS. So either you come out successfully or you actually leave it and go back to where you came from and all that. So you need to divide IELTS into parts. You need to see IELTS is English, improve your English, brush up your general English. Then you can actually give proper time to IELTS, right? Spare some time for IELTS. I mean, it isn't impossible, or it is not possible that you are giving your 100% and the result is 0, right? Results are equal to efforts in the right direction, right? So if efforts for IELTS are in the right direction, the results will be 7 band, the results will be 8 band, and then you are going to come to my video and comment, sir, my desired band was 6, but after watching your videos I got 7.5. Many students comment like that, and you are going to be the next one. So let me tell you, your dream is a wonderful dream. Life after IELTS, after reaching your destination country, is going to be the real life for you. I mean, it's going to be the life that you've always dreamed of. There should be security, there should be luxury, there should be, what do you say, the fundamental rights are given, and you are enjoying a fearless life. Right? If you're married, it's not for you. It's only for unmarried people, because married people will take their fear along with them, right? So anyways, life is going to be wonderful there, but for that you have to pay the price. Asad Yaqub, you know, today, 2026, this Asad Yaqub went through a lot of things, right? My IELTS journey, I started like all in 2010. When I made the video channel, YouTube channel, and I continued with that, and the end result is Asad Yaqub, you know, today. And you never know what I did, how I reached here, how long it took me to be here, what did I do, my efforts and all that. There's a whole story. I'll tell you that some other day. But anyways, you need to make the history, and your history is going to be going to a foreign country, and then one day there will be a proud moment in your life. You will be sitting somewhere, sipping some coffee. You know, sometimes you're sitting alone and you are just nostalgic that day, and you're thinking about your past, and you're sipping some coffee, and you're thinking, once upon a time, I used to watch Asad Yaqub videos, and then I reached here, right? And you'll be sipping coffee, and suddenly an English child will come and say, Papa, Papa. That's going to happen, okay? So things are going to be fantastic in your future, and inshallah, I wish you best of luck. Let me tell you, if you are determined, nothing will come in your way. And if you are not determined, everything will come in your way. I'm not a motivational speaker. Whatever I said, it came from my heart. It came from my heart, and it has touched your heart. So if it has touched your heart, please make a heart sign and comment. Just comment heart sign. I want to see how many of you reached here, right? How many of you are still watching this video? So this is gonna be wonderful for me. Thank you so much. I wish you best of luck. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. We have wonderful books on IELTS listening, digital book on listening, digital book on reading, and a PDF or physical book on writing and speaking. If you want to get any of these things, you can contact me on WhatsApp. So everyone, cheers to IELTS, cheers to foreign country, right? Cheers to your destination country, and cheers to 7+ band in IELTS. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.